Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, now let's talk about the pound yen. Yeah, similarly, pound yen is approaching a very important level here at 160. Are we going to see a breakout of 160 or rejection from the 160? I think price will definitely consolidate here. And by then, we will take a wait and see approach. So what would I do? Like I would take a measured long around here, right? Maybe around 156, and then ride the uptrend to 160. And after that, we will wait and see what happens. Is it going to give us a breakout? Is it going to give us a rejection back to the downside? If it gives us a breakout, I think risk on will do well. But if it gives us a breakdown, then risk off assets across the board will also dump. So the two points of history that I'm looking at for this is, are we in 2013, 2014 kind of situation where after a taper tantrum, we did see, and finally taper ended, we did see a rally into 2014? Or are we going to see a 2017, 2018 kind of correction? So it is not clear at this point of time, but I highly doubt it's 2017, 2018 kind of scenario. If you remember what happened in 2017, 2018, Trump was the president, and what happened was he started a trade war with China. While Biden isn't necessarily pro China in his policies, I think we've seen the worst for in terms of relationship between the two countries. So yeah, I definitely think we are more in a 2013, 2014 kind of macro sentiment.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.